Hi guys. Okay, so this afternoon I'm going to be making an African soup. This soup is common with the West African region, right? Nigeria precisely. So this is ogbono. Okay, I'll be making ogbono soup. Yeah, you're gonna see the result, the end result. If you're familiar with okra, yeah, they have the same feature. Okay, so I'll be making ogbono soup today. I'm going to be grinding this in my blender. I'm going to be grinding it with crayfish. Okay, now you're going to see how it's going to come out. Alright, so this is the end product of it after blending the ogbono and crayfish together. So come with me as we prepare this soup. So the first thing I'll be doing is to boil the meat or the fish that I'll be using in cooking this. Okay, now the meat is boiling. Once it gets softened to the texture I want, then I will be taking you through how this ogbono will be made. Okay, so while the meat is still boiling, I'm making ready my other spices. Say seasoning, right? So, and the other ingredients. So I'll be using fish. I'll be adding fish to it. Okay, just dried fish. Just pepper. Although this one is optional, so I'll be making use of this dried pepper. This dried red pepper. This is the Maggi. This is the salt. I'll be making use of this red oil. You see, this is from Africa. Okay, and then I'll be making use of this chopped spinach. Okay, let's see how it comes out. Okay, now it's time for me to proceed with the ogbono proper. The meat is well boiled now, so I will be dissolving this ogbono with red oil. So I'm going to pour in enough red oil into this ogbono, and once that is done, I'll put it in the boiling meat. This is to enable it melt. It's going to dissolve properly, and once that is done, I'm going to turn this mixture. Once it is melted already, I'm going to turn it inside the boiling meat, and then everything will boil all together. Let's see how it turns. Just place it in between, then you cover. Ensure it is tightly covered so that air will not have its way of getting it through. So let's see how it goes. I'll be right back. The ogbono is well melted, as you can see, and then I'm going to be turning it. Oh, okay, you see. Alright, so now you see I have turned the entire mixture from the rubber, from the plastic, into the pot. So I'm going to mix it softly to make sure that there's no lump. There must be no lump while you are making your ogbono. Okay, so once that is done, I'm going to be testing it to see the level of the salt and Maggi. Since I used the water from the boiling meat for this ogbono, it's likely to be a bit salty, so I'll just add a little bit of salt and Maggi to it. Okay, so I'm not satisfied with the Maggi in it, so I'm just going to add these 2 cubes of Maggi to it. And since pepper has not gone into it, I'm going to be adding the pepper now so everything can cook together. I'm going to as well add a little bit of salt. Please add me the salt. Since there's a little bit of salt in the meat while boiling it. Okay, so while that is cooking, I'm going to be adding the chopped vegetables into it. Okay, so you can try this African dish soup in your kitchen. Try it and let me see how it goes. Try it and let's see what results you will be getting. Okay, now the ogbono soup is ready for consumption.